Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition, the radio show that brings you the latest trends in immigrating to the United States. Hosted by attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This program is designed to provide valuable insights for those who wish to live, work, study, or invest in the U.S. Whether you're an international student seeking educational opportunities, an entertainer looking to break into the U.S. market, or a business owner wanting to expand your operations and tap into the vast U.S. economy, this show is for you. If you're an investor exploring options in the U.S. or someone with family or friends already living here, you won't want to miss the important information shared on Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. Each week, we dive into critical topics that help you navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law. Special guests include experts in business development, elected officials supportive of immigration, business owners, and nonprofit leaders who provide real-world advice and guidance for those wanting to build a future in the U.S. The law firm of Figeroux and Associates was founded not only to serve our clients, but to contribute to the greater good. We understand the importance of helping individuals and businesses achieve their American dreams, and we are committed to providing the legal expertise and support needed to make that happen. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to open a branch of your business in the U.S., an investor ready to explore opportunities, or someone hoping to migrate and build a new life in America, you should tune in and learn from this informative program. Ask the Lawyer. International Edition is your resource for understanding U.S. immigration trends, business opportunities, and legal strategies. Call now. For personalized legal advice, contact the experienced attorneys at Figeroux and Associates today. Our team is here to help you navigate the path to success in the U.S. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux. Visit us online at askthelawyer.us or call today to schedule your consultation.
Looking for a lawyer who brings confidence, charisma, and nearly 30 years of legal muscle to your side? Meet Brian Figeroux, Esquire, New York's #1 immigration attorney and a trusted name across the city and beyond. He's not just experienced, he's exceptional. Known for his sharp legal mind and undeniable presence, Mr. Figeroux handles it all. Immigration, estate planning, family law, divorce, business matters, real estate, personal injury, civil rights, you name it. Whether you are starting a business, protecting your legacy, or reuniting your family, he's the lawyer who listens, who cares, and who gets results. In this episode, we discuss the path to legalization with or without inspection and why U.S. citizens with foreign property should consider creating a trust. So make sure you listen and share this information with your family and friends, both in the Caribbean and New York. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit www.askthelawyer.us to schedule a consultation. Mr. Figeroux?
Good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Wow, when are these rains going to stop in Brooklyn, New York? It's like every week, every other week. It's too cold for me in May. I would like to go to Central Park in the nude section, get a nice suntan on my slim 6'4" body. I'm just 185, I think. Yeah. Slim, tall, and handsome. That's who I am. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Who doesn't want a handsome lawyer as their lawyer? But a very smart attorney. So you get intelligence, which is a lot of education. You get experience, 30 years of it. And you get a handsome dude to manage your business affairs, legal affairs, what have you. And in New York City, or anywhere in the world, you know, obviously talent and experience is important. So, yeah. And the big question I always ask, obviously, you know, clients, consultees who become client is, are you planning your affairs properly? How do you protect your asset? How do we protect your assets on your behalf? Is it a trust? Is it a will? Is it a deed transfer? Is it all of the above? And the question or the issue, which is a question that comes up most of the time, is how much money do you earn from equity? And almost every week, twice a week, when we do, we meet clients to do estate planning, a lot of, unfortunately, people of color, black, brown, yellow, whatever, they are not doing proper estate planning. Equity in your assets earn nothing. People don't understand what equity means. And obviously, that's the value of your property less any loans outstanding on the property. So it's like if you take money and you put it in a bowl somewhere in your house and it's just sitting there doing nothing, earning nothing. Should that money be in the stock market? Should that money be used to purchase other properties and you become a real estate developer on a small scale, buying, fixing, selling? And a lot of people, especially people of color, they have good trades. They're electricians, carpenters, painters. So they have the necessary skills. But what happens sometimes is that, the parents who own the home or the grandparents really don't trust their children or grandchildren. And why is that? Well, you keep coming home drunk. You're not finishing your college degree. There's so many different reasons why parents do not trust, trust, not trust the legal stuff, but trust. Could I give my child or my grandchild this asset? And next thing you know, somebody come and say they own the home now. So when we do wills, trust, and estate planning, it's also family counseling. How could we protect that asset from the children or grandchildren that you don't trust, but yet still the property, the equity earns money in a better way? So it's not only law, it's financial issues, it's family issues. So it's when you meet with your attorney, that attorney has to have various skills: law, finance, experience. So an attorney like myself, who has a bachelor's in accounting, a master's in economics, a law degree in 2.5 years, 12 more credits for a degree in computer science, a certificate in banking. Yeah, that's a lot of qualifications. Some people think that people like us, our people, are not well educated. That's not true. We are very well educated. They think that we may not have experience. We are very well experienced. And as I said at the beginning, I'm a handsome young guy, at least I think so. And you get a handsome attorney too. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please visit our website. It is packed with information. Packed. We have articles in our blogs that is unimaginable. And nice graphics that go with the articles, and hey, you could learn a lot. We love an educated client. That's why our blog is so extensive. Read, understand, and ask me all the difficult questions, the challenging questions that you can. I like my clients to obviously, have some sort of grounding when they come to the office. And if they don't, when they come, I will teach them. And then obviously they have access to all our resources, whether it be our blogs, whether it be the publications that we partner with. And what we do is what we call edutainment. We educate and entertain. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. And that's what we're supposed to have, answers. And we're supposed to give you options. And then you say, well, if this happened, what can I do? Or if that happened, what can I do? And I'm supposed to come up with solutions. I love coming up with solutions for our community. We deserve the best. We work very hard for what we have, and we don't want to lose it to those people coming in our neighborhoods, waiting to rob us of our life's wealth. And New York State called them predators. We have to be careful of predators. Predators with predatory lending, predators who want to, take advantage of us. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Oh yeah, and if you have predators coming after you, I'd like to battle them for you. We litigate. 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. The website for the law firm of Figeroux & Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. We're going to call this segment the handsome segment. Peace, brothers and sisters.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figeroux & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figeroux & Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
The path to legalization, with or without inspection, for many undocumented immigrants living in the United States. the road to legal status feels like an impossible journey, especially when the way they entered the country affects every legal option available to them. Yet understanding the difference between entry with inspection and entry without inspection is key to unlocking a potential path toward legalization, stability, and family unity. With versus without inspection, what's the legal difference? Entry with inspection means entering the U.S. legally through a port of entry, usually with a visa or through parole, and being processed by an immigration officer. This form of entry is recorded, which often makes the individual eligible for adjustment of status if they later become eligible for a green card. Entry without inspection, EWI, refers to individuals who entered the country unlawfully, often by crossing the border without going through immigration checkpoints. These individuals typically cannot adjust status from within the U.S. unless they qualify for special humanitarian relief or a legal waiver. How entry type affects legalization options. Adjustment of status. Available to those who entered with inspection and have an eligible family relationship or employer sponsor. Those who entered without inspection generally cannot adjust unless protected by VAWA, asylum, TPS, or 245E grandfathering. Consular processing. Immigrants without inspection may apply for a green card through a U.S. consulate abroad, but this often triggers bars from reentry due to unlawful presence. Waivers, I-601 and I-601A. Critical for overcoming inadmissibility. The I-601, a provisional waiver, allows individuals to apply while still in the U.S., minimizing time away from family. The I-601 is filed after leaving the country. Humanitarian relief options. Several pathways provide hope. VAWA, Violence Against Women Act, allows abused spouses of U.S. citizens or green card holders to self-petition. Asylum offers protection to those fearing persecution. TPS grants temporary legal status to nationals from crisis-affected countries. Cancellation of removal may be available in immigration court for those with 10-plus years in the U.S. and qualifying U.S. citizen family hardship. The human and moral case for legalization. Legal status isn't just about paperwork. It's about protecting families, honoring community contributions, and ensuring dignity. Undocumented immigrants are often parents, caregivers, workers, and taxpayers. Many fear deportation and separation from their U.S.-born children. Legalization recognizes their humanity and stabilizes our communities. Take the first step, know your rights. Navigating immigration law is complex, but you don't have to do it alone. The attorneys at Figeroux and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, can help you understand your options and build a path forward. Call 855-768-8845. Visit askthelawyer.us. Your path to legal status may be closer than you think. Don't wait. Get the legal guidance you deserve.
Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figeroux and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figeroux and Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
Your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card. We can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figeroux and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
Why U.S. citizens with foreign property should consider creating a trust. Estate planning can be complex even when all assets are domestic. But for U.S. citizens holding real property abroad, it becomes especially critical to plan ahead. One of the most strategic tools in this context is the creation of a trust. At Figeroux and Associates, we routinely help clients navigate the legal intricacies of cross-border estate planning to ensure that their assets, at home and overseas, are protected and passed on according to their wishes. Understanding the global estate challenge. When a U.S. citizen dies owning real estate in another country, several issues arise. Foreign probate laws may apply, which could conflict with U.S. estate plans. Multiple probate proceedings may be required, one in the U.S. and one in the country where the property is located. Inheritance taxes or fees may be imposed by the foreign jurisdiction. Beneficiaries may encounter legal delays, unfamiliar procedures, or disputes across borders. These issues can lead to significant costs, delays, and legal uncertainty, especially in countries with rigid inheritance laws that may override U.S. wills or ignore informal family arrangements. What is a trust? A trust is a legal arrangement in which one party, the trustee, holds and manages property on behalf of another party, the beneficiary, under instructions provided by the person who creates the trust, the grantor or settlor. Trusts can be either revocable, can be changed during the grantor's lifetime, or irrevocable, fixed once established. Why use a trust for foreign property holdings? For U.S. citizens who own property abroad, creating a trust offers several compelling advantages. Avoiding foreign probate. Foreign property included in a trust is not subject to the probate process in the country where the property is located. Instead, the trustee can manage or transfer the asset according to the terms of the trust, bypassing costly and time-consuming legal proceedings in a foreign jurisdiction. Privacy and control. Wills go through probate and become part of the public record. Trusts, by contrast, remain private. This allows the grantor to control the distribution of their assets discreetly and without public scrutiny. Tax efficiency. While each country has its own taxation rules, a properly structured international trust can help minimize estate taxes both in the U.S. and abroad. Some countries may impose inheritance taxes that can be reduced or avoided through advanced trust planning. Protection from forced heirship laws. Many countries, such as France, Spain, and many in the Caribbean, follow forced heirship rules, which restrict how a property owner can distribute their estate. A trust can sometimes legally sidestep these limitations, giving the grantor more control over who inherits what. Asset protection. A trust can help shield assets from creditors, lawsuits, or marital disputes, a significant concern for beneficiaries who may reside in jurisdictions with different legal protections. Case example: a Caribbean property owner. Consider a U.S. citizen who owns a beachfront villa in Jamaica. Upon their death, Jamaican probate proceedings would be required to transfer the property, possibly subjecting the heirs to local laws, court fees, and delays. However, if the villa is titled in the name of a U.S.-based revocable living trust, the trustee can manage the property or transfer it immediately to beneficiaries without involving the Jamaican courts. If structured properly, the trust can even plan for ongoing maintenance, rental income, or a future sale. Legal considerations when creating a trust for foreign property. While the benefits are clear, creating a trust for international assets is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Key legal considerations include foreign recognition of trusts. Not all countries recognize foreign trusts. Countries like the UK, Canada, and some Caribbean nations generally do. Others, like Germany, Japan, or France, have more limited or no trust recognition. In such cases, alternative structures, like foreign wills, local trusts, or civil law foundations, may be necessary. This is where experienced legal counsel becomes indispensable. Property titling and transfer. The foreign property must be legally retitled into the name of the trust, which may involve local attorneys and compliance with real estate laws in the property's country. Failing to retitle the property properly will leave it outside the trust, subjecting it to foreign probate. Reporting requirements. U.S. tax law imposes strict reporting obligations for foreign assets held in trusts, particularly for irrevocable trusts or those involving offshore trustees. Failure to report can lead to significant IRS penalties. At Figeroux and Associates, we ensure that our clients remain fully compliant with both U.S. and foreign laws when transferring property into trust. How Figeroux and Associates can help. Our firm, located in Brooklyn, NY, provides comprehensive estate planning services for clients with international holdings. We specialize in creating customized trusts that accommodate both U.S. and foreign legal systems, assisting with property transfers into trusts across jurisdictions, ensuring IRS and foreign tax compliance, coordinating with local legal professionals abroad, drafting companion documents like durable powers of attorney, pour-over wills, and letters of instruction. Our mission is to protect your legacy, simplify the inheritance process for your heirs, and avoid costly legal entanglements. Conclusion: plan today, protect tomorrow. For U.S. citizens with foreign real estate, the decision to create a trust is more than an estate planning strategy. It's a safeguard for your family's future. By avoiding foreign probate, minimizing taxes, and respecting your personal wishes, a trust offers clarity, control, and peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule a confidential consultation today with the law firm of Figeroux and Associates to protect your international assets and ensure a smooth transition for your loved ones. Visit us, 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. Call now, 855-768-8845. Learn more. AskTheLawyer.us.
A victim of Arle Louison are in deportation proceedings or any immigration matters pending in immigration court. Please call the law firm of Figeroux and Associates at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
This show is a production of IQ Inc. Marketing. If you would like to advertise your product or service on this show to the U.S. and Caribbean markets and through our multicultural publications in New York, please call 866-435-3286 or send an email to info@myiqinc.com.
Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates in New York. We hope you enjoyed the show, which featured immigration visitors visa, starting and doing business in New York, entertainment and business visas, religious visas, and much more. Whether you are outside the U.S. or have family in New York, the number to call, share, and keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Please schedule a consultation with us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. You have questions? we've got the answers.